look up in the sky. Who's way up flying high? Agent Fishtronaut will solve a case today. Agent Fishtronaut, come along and save the day. Marina and Zeek will help us find the way. With all our friends, you can solve a mystery today. There is a pop that holds our clues. Come along, let's open it. We gotta clap, we gotta stomp. Come along, let's open it.
Good shot, Marina.
Go, Agent Fishtronaut!
That's game point!
Don't think so. Yes!
Whoa!
Yuck!
Time out! Are you okay, Fishtronaut?
Thanks, Zeke. Yeah, I'm okay. Hey, what happened to our volleyball? It's all covered in yucky slime.
Yuck! This is strange.
This is not our ball. It's actually a slimy pop. We'll just have to pick up the game another time, guys, because we've got a mystery to solve.
The case must be about the yucky slime. Hey, help us open the pop. Just follow us. It's our turn now.
Let's do it again.
A glass and a strainer. What do you think these clues mean?
Not sure yet, but that glass looks like a refreshing sports drink.
Zeke, stop! You can't drink a clue.
Oh,
Well, the glass is full of slime. But what about this strainer?
Aren't strainers used to prepare food like spaghetti? Solo mio! Very interesting. The strainer removed the slime from the water.
What strange-looking slime? Is it algae?
There are a lot of different types of algae in a lake. That's what we eat underwater. But I've never seen such a strange-looking slime before.
Look! The lake is full of this slimy stuff, too!
I'll check with Rosie Barb. Maybe she's seen something strange on the lake. Come in.
Agent Rosie Barb, hello?
Hello, Agent Fishtronaut!
We're investigating some yucky slime floating on the lake. Have you noticed anything underwater?
Yes, the slime is all over the lake! It's even stuck under the boats!
Are the people in the boat throwing garbage in the lake?
Wait here, guys! Not a single piece of garbage to report, Fishtronaut. We don't know where this slime is coming from.
Thank you, Rosie. We'll check this out.
Okay, we're lucky to have you on the case.
First, I need to check what the slime in the lake is. Uh-oh. Looks like it's time to reactivate my bubbles. See you guys.
Hurry back, Fishtronaut!
Bubbles fully reactivated. Go, Agent Fishtronaut!
First, let's test the water from the lake.
Algae bloom.
Algae bloom? That means that there's too much algae in the lake. Hey, wait a minute. The water from the lake is the same color as the gooey glass from the pop. Nah.
Algae bloom.
That's it! So they both contain the same type of slime. But how does a strainer fit in? The only time I've used one is for cooking some yummy spaghetti and seaweed balls. What could be the connection with that yucky slime? I need to find some answers. Hello, Agent Happy Plum. I need your help to understand one last clue. I found out that the gooey stuff in this glass is just like the yucky slime that's floating in our lake. But what could this food strainer mean?
The shoreline is the strainer for water that's clear. Let the tracks tell the story on the bridge over here. That is all.
Thanks, Agent Happy Plum. Marina, I have a lead. Let's meet at the bridge to Sloth Forest.
Let's go check it out.
I'll be right there.
Hi, Fishtronaut! We're here! Yoo-hoo! Look, more yucky slime.
Let's follow these slimy footprints through Sloth Forest.
We'll try not to disturb the sloths. They like peace and quiet.
Looks like it's 4 o'clock. Oh.
Now it's 1 minute past 4. Time to go back to sleep.
Be careful not to wake up the sloths.
Yeah, sloths are the sleepiest animals in the forest. They sleep between 15 and 18 hours every day.
Looks like there's been a lot of traffic through the forest.
And these footprints are going to the lake. People are going back and forth from the lake to the park. That can only mean one thing.
What?
People going back and forth.
Yes.
For a new popular lake activity like boating! Exactly! You two are thinking like great fish agents. Follow me, gang!
Yee! That water doesn't look right.
Hey, that looks like the water in the glass from our first clue.
Blah. In fact, they're the same. It's called algae bloom. That means that there's too much algae in the water.
Looks like they cleared out some shoreline to make room for more boats.
That's right, Marina.
More boats?
Come on, guys. Let's check out those canoes. The water is clear where there are trees and bushes by the shoreline.
But it's full of algae bloom where all of the trees and bushes have been cleared.
That's it! The strainer removed the slime from the glass of water. Happy Plum was saying that the shoreline acts like a strainer for the lake. It filters rainwater that runs over the surface of the land. When the bushes and trees are cut, there's an increase of materials that go into the water.
Of course! My grandfather told me that plants keep the water clean by protecting it from all kinds of stuff that would go into the lake.
Galloping guppies! We figured out the clues! Ha!
Ha!
Let's see. There's algae bloom everywhere. This slimy stuff really sticks around.
Right, so this is where they cleared out the bushes and shrubs to make more space for the boats.
It's all part of the delicate balance. Fish help keep the lake clean because we eat algae.
But why is there too much algae?
That's because when the water is not filtered, the algae spreads quickly in the lake.
The shoreline filters the water before it goes into the lake.
And even if we fish eat a lot of algae, we can't get rid of it all.
We need to do something for this lake so we can all keep enjoying it.
That's right.
The shoreline is also part of a lake or a river. Nature has its own way of keeping itself clean.
But we can help our lake get better by replacing the plants that were part of its shoreline. My gizmos always come in handy.
Looks like we both have a green thumb, Fishtronaut.
Wow, the lake sure looks nice now.
We did it! In just a few days, the trees and shrubs have cleaned up the water. Case closed.
Teamwork is fantastic! A pop from the Secret Environmental Agency.
Come on, help us open the pop. Just follow us. It's our turn now.
Let's do it again! We did it! Our volleyball! It's back! All right! We can finish our game!
I'm all ready to go, Fishtronaut.
Ready when you are, Marina! Zeke, it's your call!
Ready? All right, gang. Play ball!
Go, Agent Fishtronaut!